How to increase or decrease the space between two lines of text inside Davinci Resolve. This is the text itself on the timeline. It is here at Effects, Titles, Text, so it's not the text plus but the text. Okay, and if you come here to the right side to the inspector, video title, there is no enter pressed between the two lines of text, so I cannot adjust the distance between them from here. But to adjust it, come to this one, line spacing. If you drag the slider to the right, you are pushing the other text up. If you drag it to the left, you are bringing it closer. It's not going totally past the next line, but it is getting it closer enough. You can drag even the number and move it to the left and to the right. And you can also reset the entire value using that circular arrow, which is in line with this line spacing. So that's how to bring closer or push further away two lines of text inside Davinci Resolve.